So today we're going to discuss another model, that is the model of the larynx, and it is anterior view of the larynx. So if you got the model in your exam and that is larynx, so how will you identify the marking points? Just get the whole video and you will know then. So the first thing that is there in the model is this bone. So this is a hyoid bone, right? And wholly solely it is a hyoid bone, but if there are specific marking, like if the marking is here, then it is the body of the hyoid, and if the marking is on this elevated structure upward, so the upward elevated structure are the lesser corna or the lesser horn, right? Other than that, we have this big structure, right? And this is a thyroid cartilage. So first we'll discuss the bigger structure. So this one is thyroid cartilage. So we have a thyroid gland and a thyroid cartilage. So this one is a cartilage. So where is the gland? Here is the thyroid gland, this brownish or yellowish structure. So this is, or orangish you can say, this is a thyroid gland, right? So now we know the hyoid bone, the thyroid cartilage, thyroid gland. Another bigger structure is this C-shaped ring containing structure, that is a trachea mentioned here. So this ring structure is trachea, thyroid cartilage, and hyoid bone. Now the other thing is thyrohyoid membrane. Thyro means thyroid, hyoid means the hyoid bone. So in between the hyoid bone and the thyroid cartilage, there is a membrane that is known as thyroid membrane. But the medial part of this thyroid membrane is having a specific name that is known as the median thyroid ligament. That is a membrane, but at the medial aspect, it is having a specific name. It is a ligamentous structure, so it is known as a median thyroid ligament. Other than that, on the thyroid cartilage, you will see not very clear in this picture, but some elevated structure or look like a line. So that is known as oblique line, will be present bilaterally. So two oblique line, you can see if you have a model in your college. So there you will see this oblique line. Right, two oblique line will be on the interior aspect of the thyroid cartilage, and the V-shaped notch is known as superior thyroid notch, and the V-shaped notch having central elevation is known as the Adam apple or laryngeal prominence, right? So this prominence is laryngeal, means related to larynx, and laryngeal prominence, and also known as Adam's apple. So now you know about the hyoid bone, the thyroid cartilage, the thyroid gland, you know about the trachea, you know about the thyrohyoid membrane, you know about the median thyroid ligament, right? And you know about the oblique lines, thyroid notch, superior thyroid notch, and the Adam's apple or laryngeal prominence. These C-shaped structures are known as trachea, but the bigger one just below the thyroid cartilage is known as cricoid cartilage mentioned here. So this is a cricoid cartilage, and this is the thyroid cartilage. Between the thyroid and cricoid cartilage, we have cricothyroid ligament, or you can say cricothyroid membrane, right? So we have a cricothyroid membrane as we had a thyrohyoid membrane, and as in the thyrohyoid membrane, the medial aspect was a medial thyrohyoid ligament. So the medial aspect here is known as median cricothyroid ligament. Median cricothyroid ligament and the cricothyroid membrane is there. And this muscular structure is known as cricothyroid muscle because it is in between the cricoid cartilage and the thyroid cartilage. So just revise all the point. We have hyoid bone, these are the lesser cornea or lesser horn. We have thyrohyoid membrane, median thyroid ligament, thyroid cartilage, oblique line, superior thyroid notch, Adam's apple, thyroid gland, trachea, cricoid cartilage, cricothyroid membrane, and cricothyroid ligament. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.